Hello everyone, come back to my new video. This video highlight about the second day of the water festival when I was there with my spouse, my children. So we went out to the cities of Siem Reap. So we have some street food. We go for a walk. We see everyone. We see other people walking on the street. We watch the concert and we celebrate. Some people they throw the road to the balloon, shooting balloon. It's funny, right? So this one just a highlight one. I hope you like it. Yeah. So it's tricky. Like other people cannot do it, but the owner can do it because they have been trained with proper skill to work on that. They have street food most of them. Delicious, and some food from Thailand, some food Khmer food, mostly about Khmer food, and some the Thai and Chinese food as well. And this couple like they just playing and taking some videos and picture on the bridge with the colorful fans, and people just enjoy it and have some video, some portrait up there. So let's have a look. Okay, so now let's go to the ceremony. So this is now we go to the place where the festival ceremony is celebrating. Before we go that, we catch up with other sellers and we bought some sausage, we bought some hot dog grill, we test some food on the street, so really delicious. Yeah, of course, let's go. It's a very beautiful place to go. If you come to Siem Reap, you may see a lot of development, many beautiful places to see. We have temples, we have eco tourism place to visit, and we have the place to entertain at night. So here we go on the street and they have meatball, they have different type of food, they have like noodle, they have snail, like kind of balls snails, they have fried food, they have rice, they have sour fruit, they have quail egg, they have fried noodle, yeah, and they have papaya and salad. My wife like papaya salad a lot, and also boiled snail. So today they go to the ceremony and they try very hard to find the snail, to find the snail food, because they meant to eat, and also they try to find papaya salad. Yeah, now this guy is trying to do papaya salad for her with spices, with lemon juice, with chili. So really good food on the street. It's not expensive, it's cheap, and I put papaya and I mix with chili and some other ingredients. Now it's ready, and he prepared for my wife. on the table, and my wife just look around and grab some other food to combine, like chicken leg, and now she is going to find the so ask about where to find the snail the snail food, like the ball snail one, and then they try to catch and eat. Okay, now let's go. Now she is looking around and find the snail, and finally she find it over there. Oh, she's really enjoying, try really straight to that. This is a ball snail with sauce. Wow, so spicy but really delicious. She really enjoy and happy so much when she can find it, and she come back to sit on the table having that dinner with her papaya and salad. Yeah, okay, so now let's have a look. She have snail, and now she start the snail first, and then doing something with eating papaya salad. And now we already ate, and we continue to the ceremony, to the concert, to see the concert, and then walk around and see, wow, snail again. She really want to get more snail, and now going to continue to see other food up there. So many food, so like kind of hot dog, Thai food, balloon, and people also really enjoy with the food, and they walk, and just some of them just window shopping, some of them also watching and buying some food and eating some food over there as well. And now we finish the trip, and we are getting to go out from the event, and try to see what the last spot up there. People like still shooting balloon, and people still promoting their activity, like their product and the arrow, and to sell what balloon, how many balloon can shoot, and how many doll they can get each arrow. So my wife got some sour fruit again, and now we go back home, and that's the flower on the tree. It's very beautiful, and now we go back on the bridge. Bye everyone, thanks for support.